Down here at my mobile sheep pen, and had a bad storm come through the other day and tore us all to pieces. And it's supposed to be a medium duty tarp, so I've got one laid over here. Just looking at it, I don't know if it's going to fit, but I'm going to have to do something because it's supposed to rain tonight. I don't want them to. If it was in the summer, I'd wait a few days, wouldn't really care, but I'd hate for them to get wet and get chilled and everything. And I haven't moved them yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one back a little and try the new tarp. We'll see how it goes. I haven't been cold all day. I can't get warm. You ever get like that? I haven't started my fire yet. I actually was working this morning. I got kind of warm. A little project up there at the house. Took down some handrails on the back porch. We're gonna do some work there and carry all that off. And anyway, so now I got to fix this. I just don't want them to go through all that, even if it's temporary. So I thought about putting metal maybe from here back to the back. And this thing is so light. I built this thing so light, you can easily pull it with your hand. And I'm afraid if I put a metal roof on there, we'll get a big wind and it'll lift it up, turn it over, and I don't know, it might not. I want to think about it some more, but anyway, that's a little big project that needs my little 10, 15 minute video. So get my scissors out, I'm gonna cut this, and we'll see if we can get a new tarp on there some way. Staple that. All right, let's see if we can get that moving on. Yeah, I think it's used. You should keep several of these around. You never know when you might need them. tell you the truth, I'm not 100% sure it's the wind that knocks these down. I think it collects water there, and the water pressure eventually what causes the break. Now, what you know if that'd be a Phillips? Had a little clip. Might run off there because right here's one of the places that pulls water. It might run off that way. All right, we'll spray for some more. Oh, we'll try it. Like I said, that might actually be better. It's got a little place for the water to run off there. So, as long as I got something, somewhere they'll move there. All right, let's move them while we're down here and get this part of the chores done. Everybody see what I did with my scissors? I've lost them. Woo. Okay, I found them. I gotta be careful with these things because I lay them down everywhere and forget about them. And you know, 2 weeks later when I go look for them, that's why I've got about 5 pairs of these laying around everywhere. I'm working on hard. This little section here is probably about 50 yards by 200, 300 yards maybe. Next year, right up through here towards the house is going to be one of the areas I work on, because I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of like a little rise right there. I want to get a bulldozer in here and knock that down a little bit and spread that out and kind of smooth this little area up right in here. Kind of rough. And we're going to seed it, and we're either going to run a sheep flock or a maybe some steers. I don't know. We'll see. You buy them and sell them. So we'll see how it goes. They're happy. All right. Appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Easy repair. It's just one of them things you gotta do. Now my next, I gotta replace that door, and I got the stuff. I was kind of gonna do it today. It's just, I'm just cold. I don't want to fool with it right now, but the sun comes out, we might do it. So it's old piece of plywood I got off a shipping crate, and that's just kind of what I had, and I put it on there. So I bought some boards the other day when I got the firewood rack stuff, and we'll make a nice little door for that. So it'd be a lot nicer. I did one other thing I did this morning, built my firewood rack. I was gonna go get firewood today, but another load of logs, but I got busy on that other project at that time. So all right, this is done. Go air some tires up. I got a new inflator. I don't know if you'd be interested in that or not. It's a Milwaukee inflator. I love that thing. It's absolutely the best little, it's one of those little inflators, you know. I absolutely love that thing. So I gotta go air some tires up. I'm gonna do that real quick, do my chores, and carry some firewood up to the house, and we'll sit by the fire, get warm. All right, appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.